Next, keep the heading measurement of national income. For measuring national income, we have three methods. Okay, the first method is income method. As the name is suggesting, by calculating all the income that is generated in an economy, we can calculate national income. Simple. From where income will be generated? Factors: land, labor, capital, enterprise. From there the income generated will be rent, wages or salaries, interest and profit. Okay, that is what is national income in the income method type. Okay, so just write, in this method national income is estimated by adding up incomes of all the factors of production. Simply it will be rent, or we can say royalties also are being paid sometime along with rent. Okay, those are also included. Rent and royalties plus wages and salaries. So generally wages or salaries, in the last class also I told you, may not always be in the form of cash, in the form of kind also. That means a health insurance or some kind of other benefits will be provided, like a car facility or a rent, a house facility. Okay, that is also included in your salary or not? Everything is included. If let us say if this institute is providing me some residence for teaching your classes, that should be included or not? Okay, that otherwise I would have incurred that cost. So it can be both in cash and kind. Okay, you can write that. Similarly, interest, profit, and for self-employed persons there will be some kind of mixed income. If he is a self-employed person, salary and profit generally it will be mixed. Normally these things we calculate for a salaried person or in the perspective of a company. Okay, so one more thing we can add, mixed income of self-employed persons. He is employing himself, he is giving salary to himself, he is taking profit for himself. That's why we are calling it mixed income. Now all these things when we add, we will get NDP, GDP or what, or NNP or GNP. What we will get? Think and tell. See, in the domestic income definition I have told you, isn't that this incomes that are being generated in a domestic territory? In India, is that what we will calculate or not while calculating in the income method? So simply it will be NDP at factor cost or not? At the end of the day, when we add all these things, it is nothing but domestic income. So from that how can we get NNP at factor cost? That is what is national income. So from NDP at factor cost, how will we get NNP at factor cost? NFIA. Okay, add NFIA, you will get NNP at factor cost, which is nothing but national income. So first we need to understand what we are getting after calculation, what we are getting, and from there we need to arrive at NNP at factor cost. We might not always directly get NNP at factor cost. In any of the method we won't get NNP at factor cost, we will get something. In this method we are getting NDP at factor cost because it is nothing but domestic income, right? So this is the first method, income method. Second method, okay, that is production method or value addition method. Production method or value addition method. So today in the starting of the class, whatever I have told you, isn't that value addition? Finally what we have done? All the value addition we have calculated. Finally whatever we got, we are saying that is what is GDP. So simply what we will do is, in this method, for each sector we will calculate the gross value added. What we will calculate? GVA, gross value added for each sector. It can be automobile sector, it can be some other manufacturing sector. For each sector, okay, for each company generally we can say, but because it is economy, we will consider for each sector, a automobile sector or agriculture sector. For each sector what we will calculate? Gross value added. Gross value added means what? Input, total output minus input. And when we add all those, what we will get? GDP, simply. Okay, GDP at factor cost or market price? Here market price or factor cost? Market price, because at the end of the day here we are calculating what? Transactions. Final input output means final, what is the sale that is happening. So finally we will get what? GDP at market price. From that we can arrive at NNP at factor cost or not. We know how to do that. Okay, that is what is this method. So value addition under this national income is calculated. Okay, national income is calculated by adding up value addition. By adding up value addition of all economic entities or firms. Of all economic entities or firms. So simply gross value added will be equal to what it will be? Value of output minus value of input. Okay. So for each entity or for each firm, when we calculate gross value added, by adding up all those things we will get GDP. Okay. So I can say summation of GVA, I will get GDP. But here what is this? Market price. Market price. From GDP at market price, now I need to arrive at NNP at factor cost. So first what I need to do? First I have to convert this to N and this to N. First we will convert one thing. From GDP let us first convert it to NDP. How we need to do that? Minus depreciation. So we have GDP MP minus depreciation. What we will get? NDP at market price. So now from NDP at market price I want to arrive at NNP at market price. What I need to do? Plus NFIA. Okay, so here what I got? NNP at market price. Now I need to get NNP at factor cost from market price. What I need to do? Minus NIT. Generally market price equal to factor cost plus NIT. And then if you remember the last class, MP is equal to FC plus NIT. Now I have MP, I want FC, so send that this side, okay. So minus NIT, simply that will be NNP at factor cost. Yeah, net indirect tax. Yeah, net indirect tax. Net indirect tax means taxes minus subsidy. So what are we calling this method? Production method or value added method. One more method is there, expenditure method.